In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can permanently delete or close your Binance account. I have already made this video before, but it's out of date, so this is a new update. Okay, so the first thing you need to do, guys, is you need to log into your Binance account, and then you want to move your mouse here. But before we start, if you have any funds or assets inside your Binance, you need to withdraw them or transfer them to another wallet, or you can just withdraw all the funds to your bank account. So after that, you want to move your mouse here, and then you want to click on security. So after, guys, you click on security, what you need to do, guys, next is you want to scroll down. Okay, and scroll down until you find here disable account. So if you click on disable account, it will show you guys a few different like this new page will show you guys what's going to happen after you disable your account. It says here all trading capacities and login for your account will be disabled, all devices for your account will be deleted, all pending withdrawals will be cancelled, all open orders will be cancelled, your verified information will not be deleted. So if you just click on this, I already clicked it, I clicked it before, and the account is going to be deleted. You just need to click yes, that's it, the account is going to be deleted permanently.